Hello everybody, I'm Usha Chidasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm a trainer, a child and adult psychotherapist and author of this amazing best-selling book, Your Happy Child. So I'm passionate about helping parents to empower their children and heal their own inner child issues through the experience of parenthood and adulthood. And one of the ways that I do this is I've created a workshop, and it's called the Happy Workshop. Here's the acronym HAPPY, and these are the kinds of things that we cover in it. It's basically a workshop that parents do with their children aged between 7 to 11 years. And the kinds of things that we do helps the child live in today's world. But would you agree with me that children today are really, really stressed? I think they are. I'm a school counsellor and I'm also a parent, and I was an ex-teacher, and so I've always been around children, and I've noticed that over the years their stress levels have gone higher and higher and higher, and a lot of it is to do with the kinds of pressures that we have in society. And you know, one of the things that we do in the workshop, and this is to get a healthy brain, is to learn ways of calming them down. One of the things is we do meditation, and I teach children how to do that. I teach parents how to do that. And the kinds of things that happens is that they develop a healthy brain. Now, if you want to know more about the workshop and where it's run and you know where it's going to be, click on the link, or you can connect with me from my website healingfeeling.com, or you can go to my Facebook page, like the page, it's Your Happy Child. I'm also using that hashtag, or you can connect with me on Instagram and Twitter using this handle. So that's Usha Chidasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Thank you.